Welcome inside one of the most advanced smartphone factories in the world. Every iPhone begins with thousands of tiny components arriving from suppliers around the world. The manufacturing process starts with building powerful circuit boards that control the entire device. Advanced robots carefully install microchips that power the phone's speed and performance. Next, the powerful camera modules are assembled with incredible accuracy. High-resolution display panels are produced and inspected for perfect quality. Strong aluminum frames are shaped to form the sleek body of the phone. All the individual parts come together on a highly automated assembly line. Powerful batteries are added to keep the device running all day. Each device is loaded with software that brings the phone to life.
Every camera is tested to ensure clear photos and sharp videos.
Increasing the light intensity for the next test.
Good. Check the color accuracy.
It's within spec. Each screen is inspected to guarantee perfect color and brightness. Buttons, microphones, and sensors are carefully tested for reliability. Data from these presses helps us ensure top performance. Sensors are responding within expected parameters. Some devices go through durability tests to ensure they survive everyday use. After testing, every phone is cleaned and polished. The devices are carefully packed into their iconic boxes. Packaged phones are prepared for shipment. Thousands of new devices are stored in giant warehouses. Logistics teams move the phones through the distribution center. The phones are packed into shipping cartons for global delivery. Trucks are loaded with shipments ready to travel around the world. These trucks will transport millions of devices to stores and airports. Global logistics teams coordinate shipments to every corner of the planet. From this factory, millions of iPhones begin their journey to people around the world.